What's up, everybody? So for today's safety tip of the day, we're going to be going over the segment, oh, but my phone. Our phones are one of the most important things we use every day. We touch everything else though, and then we touch our phones. So that same germs that we've touched is now on our phones, and we press it against our face when we answer a phone call. Did you know that studies have shown that coronavirus can stand on a setting for up to 9 days? Do you have corona on your phone? Today we're going to go over how to properly clean your device. So let's get started. So we're going to go over the steps now on how to clean our devices. So I'm going to read along some steps and you can follow me, because just as you are learning, I'm learning as well. So let's get started. We're going to start by turning off your device. Removing anything that's covering your device. I took off my holder. And then take your microfiber cloth and gently wipe your device. Gently wipe your device. Okay. Then using an alcohol pad, gently wipe the surface of your device, avoiding any openings. So that would mean these openings down here. Okay, let your device dry and repeat the steps if you have a plastic or rubber covering. I do, so let's repeat those steps. Okay. With COVID-19 spreading, it's important to clean your device at least twice a day. So there you have it. She's good to go.